And today, a man accused of murdering a pregnant woman is due in Adams County Court. He has a long list of charges, but they don't start with this crime.
Yeah, so his name is James Benavidez, and he has 23 charges for a string of crimes that all happened less than a week apart. And a lot of you have been asking us just how all this could even happen in the first place. So we want to get over to Denver 7's Allie Jenner-John, who is live outside the courthouse this morning. And Allie, you're finding that Benavidez has a previous record and also looking into why he was ever back on the street in the first place.
Yeah, because in this case, he was not only charged with murder, but 8 other counts of attempted murder. And people see this. They see people getting arrested for these severe crimes. And like us, they look into their history. And that's when viewers have reached out asking me, if people have acted illegally before, how are they getting these second and third chances? And we do know just from previously sitting in courtrooms that judges consider a few things, like if a person is a flight risk, ties they have to the community, as well as their previous crimes and when those occurred. So that's when we started digging into the background here with Benavidez. Now, court records don't show a charge for Benavidez since 2009, and as listed, they'd all be considered as nonviolent crimes. But they do include an escape charge, harassment, and car theft, some of them happening within months of each other, and most of them having a bond listed. That takes us to today. Benavidez will be in court charged with all of this. Brighton police detailing a string of crimes, from Benavidez pulling out a gun and trying to steal a man's car at a gas station, to reports of him stealing a car, leading to a police chase and an exchange of gunfire. Then days later, he's charged with the murder of 32-year-old Keely Koff, who was pregnant. Police say she was found inside an abandoned car. So I reached out to the Adams County District Attorney's Office. They're the ones handling today's case, and just asking them, we've yet to hear what a judge has decided in bond in this case, but asking how they make that decision. All I got back was a very short statement saying, quote, "We're limited by our ethical obligations," and appearing to speak in any way about this case prior to filing and during the pendency could cause issues in court. We do know, though, because of the severity of Benavidez's most recent cases, that he does face 2 crime of violence sentence enhancers in this case. What that means is, because of the severity of the charges he faces, if he should be proven to be convicted, then he could get even more added to his sentence than what is the usual range for crimes like this. Live outside the courthouse, Allie Jenner-John, Denver 7.